Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can add photo in keyboard on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So first thing, you'll have to install a third-party app called Google Keyboard, for which get to the App Store and simply get to the search bar and start typing Google Keyboard. Here you can see just like this, we have searched Google Keyboard and this is the application. So simply tap on it and install this application. You can see I have already installed this application. So you'll have to tap on open and simply open your Google Keyboard. Here you can see since my Google Keyboard is already enabled in my system, I am getting this option. If it's not enabled in your system, you'll have to get to the settings first of all. And from here, you'll have to tap on General. And from here, scroll down until you see Keyboard option. Tap on Keyboard, tap on Keyboards. And in here, you'll have to tap on Gboard just like this. And then enable this Allow Full Access option. So after doing that, now what you're going to do is get to the settings of your Google Keyboard. So simply you can open the Google Keyboard application. Just like this, here you can see we have opened Google Keyboard, and from here tap on Themes, and from here you can tap on Custom right here, and then your gallery will be open. So you can simply select the photo that you want to set it as your background of keyboard. I'm going to select this particular photo right here, so tap on it. I'm going to crop the photo just like this. Here you can see I'm going to do just like this. And then when you're done with it, tap on Choose. After doing that, you can customize the themes again. So if you want the background color, text color, or anything to be changed, you can do that. Here you can see this is the preview. And when you're done with it, tap on Done. And just like this, we have added photo in our keyboard. You can go back and open any application in order to open your keyboard. Here you can see we have done it successfully. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.